Hey, it's Voldus here from Own Root Roses. Today is just going to be a quick summary about the literature review that I just posted a few days ago regarding rooting hormone for rose cuttings. And this is specifically for rose cuttings. So there are three types of cuttings that you can take. You can take softwood cuttings, which bend really easily, semi-hardwood cuttings, which are harder to bend, and hardwood cuttings that when you try to bend them, they'll just snap. Now, in Australia, our powdered form of rooting hormone that's commonly available is this. This does not work very well for any of those cuttings. This gel form that we can also get works quite well, specifically for semi-hardwood cuttings. Or you can have a combination of that gel and a different gel that independently doesn't work too well, but the combination of both of those in a 50-50 ratio actually works quite well for semi-hardwood and softwood cuttings. Now, in terms of what works best for hardwood cuttings, I go into that in the literature review, and you're welcome to jump to that other video to have a look. But we can't readily buy a rooting hormone for that hardwood cutting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks on propagating roses.